we're going to take a look at the charts to see if you need to sell some of your project or you need to hold on to them. Also, we're going to look at the fear and greed index to know what the sentiments are in the market. Also, we know that we have good news last week whereby BTC crossed 100,000 threshold, and we have president like Putin, Trump, and even Fed chairman of the United States celebrating with the Bitcoin holders and with the cryptocurrency community at large. These are more what we're going to be looking at on the show today. Please don't go nowhere. Stick around and enjoy the show. All right, my name is Ahmed Oladmeji Kazim, aka KC the Great. And if you're just joining the show, please you can subscribe to the channel. It's CryptoBit101, and you can subscribe, like, and share. Do not forget to turn on your notification bell so you can always get the new content or the more information I share on this platform. All right. Also, you can follow me on X. You can follow me on X where I drop multiple informations when I hear something that is beneficial to the crypto community. Also, you can follow me on Instagram, you can follow me on Facebook and on TikTok, guys. Please subscribe, like, and share on my channel, and please share with your friends so this channel can go to where we want it to be. All right, I haven't said that. Thanks for joining me. This is the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show where we trade it and we do not gamble it. All right, first of all, let's dive into the real deal of today. We saw Iran, you understand? We saw Iran now move to regulate cryptocurrency instead of imposing limit report. You understand? That's a good news now, because we all know Middle East with cryptocurrency, they've been doing it on the G and all of that allegedly, but now they are now even coming out to say they want to regulate it instead of banning it or imposing a limit. And we can see what's going on in Iran with what happened in Syria. Now in Iran, people are trying to liberate themselves from the Islamic regime or from the present government thinking they need a better people to lead them. But that is that on the politics. Here we're here to talk about cryptocurrency, and this is what happened out of it. Iran moves to regulate crypto instead of imposing limits. That's the report we had. Also, now let's move to another news talking about country. Let's go to United States of America, and we all know this crypto god, let me say pro crypto, one of the prominent member of cryptocurrency. I'm talking about the man of Mike Casella that keeps on buying crypto at 70K, at 40K, at 100K. He even said he's going to buy crypto at 1 million USD because he believes in crypto. And now he's telling United States of America to ditch gold and buy Bitcoin. Mike Casella urges US to ditch gold and buy BTC. That is what we have out of the United States. Also, talking about, or speaking of Bitcoin, our cryptocurrency, we have another news out of what analysts are expecting. Analysts are saying Bitcoin could double in price to 200K in 2025. I told you guys before, I believe that my own prediction is even 250 to 400K in this bull run, and I believe it's going to happen before or around April next year. So 2025 they say, which I agree with that. And we're still going to look at the chart. Don't go nowhere. We're going to take a look at BTC. We're going to take a look at ETH and all of other altcoins to see if we need to buy or sell some of the assets we are holding on. Speaking of ETH has been struggling. You understand? When we see other coin moving up, ETH's price struggles beyond 4K. So a lot of people now are thinking, what is going on? We saw other cryptocurrency, hitting all-time high and doing all sort of things, but ETH is struggled to break 4,000 users. We're going to take a look at what is going on the chart as well when we get to the chart segment. But why ETH is struggling, Pepe is doing the most. Pepe Flip, Uniswap, Litecoin surges past 11 billion market cap to new record, which is about 11 billion market caps. Now, I told you guys, I think I gave you what's it called, prediction or something about Pepe the last time. I told you one of the meme coin that I'm expecting to do where Pepe is part of them, and I believe I shared when you need to get into it last week, but I'm still going to tell you when you need to get into it this week, or if you're holding on to it, if you need to get out of the market. So Pepe flips Uniswap, Litecoin, and surges past 11 billion market cap to new record. So congratulations to Pepe holders. Now, why meme coin is doing the most? Let's take a look at another meme coin, which is Dogecoin. Dogecoin hit highest price since 2021 as Bitcoin edges back to 100 US dollars. So Dogecoin is doing the most. We all know Dogecoin started rallying since 3 weeks or 2 weeks ago, and now we feel like it's gonna, pass the highest right of its price. Now, another news coming out of the radar is Amazon shareholders pushes for minimum 5% Bitcoin allocation. You can see now we have MicroStrategy urging Microsoft to get into cryptocurrency, especially Bitcoin. Now, Amazon is trying to do the same. So I just believe is with time, we're going to see all these big firms trooping in, and BTC is just going to blow through the roof. So like I said, I expect 250 to 400k by April. That's my prediction. And so if analysts are now saying 200k, my prediction is even ahead of that. Let's take a look at one or two more news before we now check what the economic calendar looks like today. So right now we have another news from XRP holders. XRP holder, top trader thinks XRP is ready for round 2. So if you missed the first round where the XRP blew through the roof, now they say it's ready for round 2. But this is what I'm going to do. We are going to take a look at the chart to see if we are to get into, I told you last week, please get out of XRP because I knew it was going to tank. You understand? Because it broke okay, let me call it my own secret signal. It broke it, and that's why I told you to get out of XRP, and you can see the market started falling. So speaking about XRP, let's move to NFT. We all know last cycle, the NFT that was making the waves was Beige Coin, which is the basic NFT, was selling at millions of dollars, and we saw Pudgy Penguins trying to break that by, I think we had one that was sold for $6 million US dollars, and everybody was saying, how are you going to put such amount on just a picture of a penguin and stuff like that? But now Pudgy Penguin last week is trying to lodge a token. I said it on my show. If you didn't see, you might want to watch the video. And now they have overtaken ByBit as the second largest NFT collection by market cap. But what am I trying to say? Indirectly, NFC is coming to play gradually. I told you last cycle, NFT came to play when we reached all the all-time highs of the altcoins and Bitcoin and meme coins. NFT came to play and it took all over the market. The same thing is going to happen this market cycle. So what we need to do is to make sure we watch all these NFT that are launching the new tokens, so you can get those tokens. Because imagine you get the tokens at 0.00001, and now the NFT perform very well in this new cycle. Definitely their token is going to skyrocket, and we are going to make some good cash out of it. So Pudgy Penguins overtake ByBit at our second largest NFT collection market cap. So that's what I have for you on the news this morning. Right now, let's check what is now going on with the economic calendar. And now you can see today is Monday. Mostly on Monday we don't have important news like that. Monday is always quiet, but today we have nothing. We only have let me just call it a little bit important from China, which is the CNI, their CPY and the PPY, and you can see what the actual came out to be talking about their CPY. And after that, we do not have anything coming out of the economic calendar today. But this week, do we have so many? Yes, we have so many news that is coming out of this, and I'll be sharing that with you guys on this show. So if you've not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe, like, and share, and do not forget to turn on your notification bell so you can get the great content as I drop it. Now, before we go to the charts and check what the charts look like on those assets and project we're holding on to, let's check what is going on with the market cap and know if we're doing well or we are still struggling. Yes, I think we're doing well. You can know 3 weeks ago 3.4 trillion, last 2 weeks ago 3.7 thereabout, last week between 3.7 3.6. This week now we're kicking the week with 3.8 trillion US dollar cryptocurrency market cap, and I told you I can't wait to celebrate 4 trillion US dollar cryptocurrency market cap, and that is going to happen. I'm telling you, just hold on, that is going to happen. And you can see Pepe is trending among the meme coin because of it's doing great in the market. Pepe Flip, Litecoin, and Uniswap, and that is a great news for the meme coins holder. Now let's check the top 10 and know what the top 10 looks like. Top 10, BTC still remain number 1 because it's the dominant, and we all know that. Ethereum number 2, XRP number 3, Theta number 4, Solana number 5, Dogecoin number 6, BNB number 6, Dogecoin number 7, Cardano number 8, USDC number 9, Little Stake Ether number 10, Tron number 11, Avalanche number 12, and we have Shiba Inu at number 13, Toncoin, which is the Telegram kind of ecosystem, number 14, and we have Chainlink at number 15, and the list goes on to 100 and beyond. You might want to check that out on CoinGecko to know what your favorite coin is on the rank. You might want to do that anytime. Just go to coingecko.com. You're going to get more information about that. So the cryptocurrency market cap still remain at 3.8 trillion US dollars, and BTC market cap is still yet to cross 2 trillion US dollars, but we're gonna get there. Ethereum still sitting below half a trillion US dollars, excuse me, while others still have about billions in market cap. So that's that on the market cap today. Now let's dive into what you guys are waiting for. Please, if you've not subscribed to the channel, please support your boy. It's CryptoBit101, the home of value and good information when it comes to cryptocurrency trading and investment. Now let's go into the chart and see what the chart looks like. BTC went up the roof last week, and you know BTC always sell. I'm going to tell you BTC is trying to break below this place, so I believe we should still hold on to our BTC. Let's wait for today's candle to finish. If today's candle finish, then we know how we're going to handle tomorrow. But for right now, let us hold on to our BTC if you're in the market. But if you're not in the market yet, please don't buy yet, because this red could continue coming down. So don't buy yet. Let's wait for today's to finish and see if we're going to break above this 101,500. If we break above that 101,500, then we can now get in. But if you're in the market already, don't panic. Still hold on to your BTC and do not sell yet. I'm going to tell you when you need to get out. That is that on BTC. Excuse me. Let us move on to Ethereum. So now on ETH to me is now a sell. And I'm going to show you why I say it's a sell. You know, I told you to buy it last week and move on. I said this is a stop loss. And from where I asked you to get into the market moved about, almost 12%. You understand? That's a lot of money. Almost 12%. Now, do we need to get out of Ethereum? Yes. Yes, we need to get out of ETH right now. We need to get out of ETH right now. Get out of ETH and buy ETH if ETH is crossing about 4,000. Do you need to get out of ETH? Yes. Get out of ETH right now. Then buy back when it crosses 4,000 US dollars. That is that on ETH. Let's check Dogecoin out. Dogecoin is still a buy. Dogecoin is still a buy. You can see it's still a buy, but our stop loss has now moved to this point. So now we've spiked the stop loss, but let's see if we are going to retain it. If you retain it, then you need to get out of Dogecoin. I think tomorrow is going to be a very important one for you guys to know when you need to get out of the market, because most of them are just testing where we need to get our ball, no confirmation yet. So Dogecoin, you can still hold on to your coin, but make sure if it's breaking below 0.04, you get out of the market. Let's check SUI. SUI is still a buy. SUI is still a buy. Where do you need to get out of SUI? You need to get out of SUI when it breaks $4. You need to get out of SUI when it breaks $4. SUI is still a buy. Let's check Avalanche. Avalanche